In this tutorial, we're going to create a Zapier Zap that captures when a lead unsubscribes from an email sequence, and we'll update the ConvertKit log. So now let's go to one of those emails. This is the not motivated email number 1. And if they scroll down to the bottom, they have an option to unsubscribe. If they click that, and then they'll confirm that they want to unsubscribe. And this will trigger the Zapier Zap that then unsubscribes this lead. So now you can see that the lead is unsubscribed and at what time they unsubscribed. You can also take advantage of this Zap to mark the status as dead. Now if we go back to the subscriber by clicking on the link, we can see that it has been canceled, which means they've been unsubscribed.